So guys, I just made this way of cleaning stuff up. I realized when it was dark, everything had to be clean and organized because I couldn't see anything. I had this motive to clean that was so strong. So, with that in mind, I created these.
So I was watching like a lot of Dr. Stone episodes when I was making this video, and I got inspired by his pinhole glasses. It's actually pretty easy to make. You just poke a whole bunch of holes through something with like a pin or a nail. But you gotta be careful about what you choose, because if you make the holes too big, you can see through it too easily, and if you make them too small, they'll just collapse in on themselves. And another thing you have to do is you gotta make a grid. Now you don't see it here, but I actually did make a grid with a pen so I could see where I was poking the holes through before I started doing that. And yeah, so there's a big old hexagonal grid in there that you can't see. When I was outside, you actually see everything. Like, I could see well enough to read and stuff and jump around without, like, you know, collapsing on myself. Like, indoors I can't see nothing, but outside I can see just fine. So yeah, they work pretty well.
And now that I can't see jack shit, it's time to clean.